Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about a price prediction that is so crazy for XRP, and you really need to hear this. I am not joking, but listen, it's actually realistic. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, guess what we are looking at right here? This is XRP in the very beginning. And I'm going to tell you something that is so crazy, you're not going to believe me. All right, so XRP, guys, was literally less than what, a penny, right? That was absolutely crazy. Okay, and you guys can see that XRP overall transition. I mean, it used to be a pump and dump, right? And then came back down like crazy, right? But I want you guys to understand, right around this time, 2017, guess what I heard about? XRP. You heard that correctly, guys. XRP was literally sitting at, if I'm correct, it should have been around 2 pennies when I heard about it. All right, so that would have been February, March. Yeah, yep, that is correct. So yeah, that was in well, that shows yeah. So ladies and gents, I'm telling you guys right now, XRP was absolutely dirt cheap, right? 2017. That's exactly when I heard about it, and then it blew up like crazy. Okay, now XRP, I mean, you guys, it literally hit over $3. Okay, and I'm going to tell you right now, I did not buy it. However, I started to accumulate this last cycle. Okay, and you guys can see right here, I mean, XRP, I mean, just not too long ago, okay, like last year, not too long ago, XRP was sitting around like 50 cents, right? Even back in 2020, it was sitting around 20 cents. Okay, so you guys, XRP had a market cap of only it literally was dirt cheap. Okay, you can clearly see that. Okay, a market cap back then, okay, was probably around what, 10 billion. Okay, and then boom, prices blowing up like crazy. Current market cap starting at 192 billion, which is insane, right? Fully diluted value right there at about 325 billion. Okay, technically we're circulating at 59 billion, right? So everyone believes in XRP, and everyone believes in what XRP can provide, especially for the future. All right, and a lot of people have always been rallying behind this. Obviously, we had a lot of issues with it a long time ago, but you guys can see right here, even like Bank of America partners with XRP. That was announced 20 hours ago. Okay, this stuff, it is big. Okay, big. All right, so let's talk about this little article I found talking about AI forecast light path to $20. Okay, so people are seeking that it could actually be at $5 by the end of the year. Okay, we're talking about almost another 100%, guys. Okay, and then others are predicting a potential $20 if key resistance levels break. $20, you guys, for XRP. Do the math, right? But I mean, a lot of people didn't even believe that Bitcoin could hit $1 billion, right? And if we actually take a look where Bitcoin's at today, I mean, the market cap, I mean, you guys, look at that, 2 trillion. No one thought that was possible. All right, which is crazy. So XRP looking exceptionally well right now. So going back to this article, if we actually kind of scroll down, you can see where they talk about a whole bunch of things that provide benefits, especially for XRP. But not only that, you guys will see right here, I mean, a lot of people are suggesting it could breach $10 to $20 by the end of 2025. My overall opinion, to be realistic here, I definitely think it could hit a 100% gain, right? We're talking about up to $6 by the end of the year. Going into next year, I do think if XRP continues to push the way it's pushing, you guys, this thing could easily hit $10 to $20 going into next year. You heard that correct. So XRP, this is definitely one that you really want to keep eyes on. But like I stated, by the end of the year, I mean, I'm not really sure what can push it higher. Maybe if we get some kind of ETF, which is definitely possible. But I want you guys to understand, I mean, this thing right here, $6 almost guaranteed by the end of the year, right? Very important. Okay, not only that, as mentioned, you guys, I think going into, you know, next year, we could probably see another 100% gain, right, by the end of this year to that, right? We're talking about $10 to $20. XRP, guys, unstoppable. It is definitely looking like it's possibly going to be the world's currency, in my opinion, especially whenever it comes to, say, banks and all that stuff with everything that they have to offer. Okay, they've been here for a long time. They're stable, right? I don't think anyone can really rival them. I mean, we even have what is it called, XLM, if I'm correct here, which is Stellar. So Stellar's at about 13 billion, and technically, you guys, I mean, this is another one I knew about way back when, and yeah, it's still hitting there, right? It's still kind of like a little knockoff, especially whenever it comes to XRP. But yeah, once again, these predictions, you guys, definitely realistic in my opinion. Expecting $6 by the end of the year. We'll see how it goes. So ladies and gentlemen, if you actually agree with my XRP prediction, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. I mean, listen, I've been watching this thing for a long time, like I said. So leave a comment, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button and that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.